Welcome to this step-by-step guide on downloading and installing XAMPP. XAMPP is an open-source platform that lets you run Apache, MySQL at PHP, and Perl on your computer, perfect for local web development. Step 1. Downloading XAMPP first, open your browser and go to the official Apache Friends website at apachefriends.org. On the homepage, you'll see download options for Windows, Linux, and macOS. Choose your operating system, then click Download to get the installer. Step 2. Running the installer once the download is complete. Locate the file and double-click it to start the installation. If prompted by user account control, click Yes to allow it. Step 3. Installation setup. The example wizard will appear. Click Next to proceed, and you'll see options for the components you want to install, like Apache, MySQL, and PHP. If you're new to XAMPP, it's best to leave everything selected and click Next. Step 4. Choosing installation folder. Choose a folder where XAMPP will be installed, or use the default location. Then click Next. Step 5. Start the installation now, and click Next again to start the installation. This process may take a few minutes, depending on your system. Step 6. Completing installation. Once it's finished, click Finish to close the setup wizard. XAMPP control panel will launch automatically. From here, you can start or stop individual services like Apache and MySQL. Testing your XAMPP installation. To ensure everything is set up correctly, open a browser and type localhost in the address bar. You should see the XAMPP dashboard, confirming that Apache is running. Conclusion, and that's it. You've successfully installed XAMPP on your computer. Now you're ready to start building and testing your web projects locally. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials.